I fucking hate it here. So today on Grandpa's Garage, we're not working on the Ford. We're doing a little bit of housekeeping. The bench and everything else in here was a mess, so we took a little time to clean stuff up. We went through our bottle collection, set up a new air compressor, and as you can see, got the bench nice and clean. So stay tuned.
All right, Cole, what's the question here?
The question is, why do we have so many bottles? There's too many, and we've got to go through them. There's too much. Too many duplicates. We need to keep the cool ones, and that's it.
How many Tito's bottles? 3?
Well, there's 3 right here. I think there's another one behind there.
Why do we have 3 Tito's bottles, and Cole, do we have a problem?
I don't know, and no.
Randy. I am the liquor.
Cole, you're like a librarian up there.
Kind of what I feel like actually.
This is like a bar, but sad, because there's no liquid in any of them.
Do we just get rid of duplicates? There's like
I think duplicates, yes, just to make it more concise, but 101 and regular Wild Turkey are different, I'd say. And all, like, the brands, like, no, like, duplicate of, like, the Knob Creek single barrels, but, like, the Knob Creek smoked maple can stay, I'd say. But definitely get that Bombay out of here. I don't know why that's up here.
I don't even know who drank it. Which one looks the prettiest?
It's all about the wax drip.
True,
So,
true.
which,
This one's pretty good.
that one's pretty cool.
Although I kind of like
That one looks like how in the commercial, you know, we got some dramatic drippage in the back, but
that one's ugly.
yeah, that one should have been rejected. It's like flicking me off. All right.
What about bullets? Oh wait, 3 bullets.
Is one of them rye or are they both burnt? All right.
Oh my god, there's already one of these up here.
Oh, those. All right. So that means this one's out. And yes, big and small are different. Oh, I forgot about these. Where did this come from?
I don't know. Oh, you know what?
Alcohol abuse is dangerous to your health. Yeah. What's up?
How do we feel about the old Jim Beam? There is only one, but at the same time...
Let's put it off to the side. It is Jim Beam, but, you know. I guess it's kind of a classic for people who drink in their garage.
Alright, I think everything else is a keeper here. What about the old Kirkland Special?
Oh, that's definitely going back up there. You kidding me? That's the coolest one up there.
And then Old Forester down on the end. So all these are good.
All right. So now we need to pick a Buffalo Trace bottle. Oh wait, we have one up there. Are we putting the other Buffalo Traces up there,
I mean,
or are
what
we?
if- I don't know. I feel like this is hard.
It's
a hard
easily
call to
it's
make.
easily one of the better whiskeys up there. But also, how about the old or the E.H. Taylors and their sleeves?
Yeah, that's just classy.
All right, now time for some cleaning. This whole workbench is going to be clean.
It better be.
Yeah.
I fucking hate it here. Give me 12 hours and I'll have this back wound up. Do you know, there's a wrong way to put flex tape on. You have to do it in the direction you're gonna be twisting,
Really?
or else it'll all just come off. I learned that the hard way. Our shower at the apartment had a leaky faucet or shower head, and the people didn't put tape on it. I was like, oh, those retards, I'm gonna put some on it. And I did, and it still leaked because I put it on like this way, and then
Oh,
put the
it just
thing,
backed it
and
all
it just
off.
backed it all off. Yeah. So you have to make sure you do it.
That's funny, actually.
All right, and then this.
I'll plug the compressor in so we can test it. Thanks for watching. If you like this style of video, let us know down in the comments below. And as for the Ford truck, we're waiting on parts. So go ahead and click subscribe and hit that bell for notifications if you want to see that video. And we'll see you in the next one.